Morning everyone. This report is continuation about Maria's report. So, this rubric is used to evaluate the painting performance. It focuses on three main areas: painting skills, element and design, and creativity. So, first, we have painting skills. So, dito sa painting skills is dito chine-check if how well the student uses the brushes, if yung painting ba nila is kompleto at malinis. So, using this, dito na-determine ng teacher if the student is need pa ng improvement or practice para ma-master or ma-develop pa nila ang kanilang painting skills. So, the second is element of design. So, dito naman, how the student use colors and arrange the objects in artwork. Dito din check if the color and design is nag-match ba sa drawing para mas malinis at magandang tignan. And last but not the least is the creativity and self-expression. Dito naman makikita o madedetermine if the student create their own idea, if he or she can explain well the theme and message.